from Aunt Em's Quilts and Em's Scrap Bag, and today I'm going to show you how to make a layer cake friendly stacker block. I like to play with ways that you can cut up a layer cake like I did with my Dahlia quilt, and I will put a link to that pattern in the description below. Thanks for watching my video. Remember to like and subscribe. Alright, let's get started. To make this layer cake friendly stacker block, you're going to want 2 different layer cake squares, and you will end up with 2 blocks doing this method. And we are going to cut this across here. Let's get everything lined up real well first. We're going to cut this in 2.5-inch strips. And we're going to sew each of these strips to its partner strip, 1/4 inch on each one. Once you get your sets sewn, you're going to choose one fabric and press all of them toward that fabric. Then next, we're just going to sew these into sets of 4. So we'll right sides together, sew 1/4 inch. And we're going to take our set of 4 and we're just going to cut that in half through our strips. So 5 inches in. And we're just going to flip this and we will sew these together. See how I've also pressed toward the yellow so that everything will nest as we sew that together. Then you end up with a block like this, which you can leave this way, and as long as you set them in rows this way and straight down this way, you'll be okay. But this block is not exactly square. So if you do want to square it up, you're going to go line up your center here at 4 1/4. And this way it's 8 1/2. And we're just going to turn it this way, trim it, line up 8 1/2 here. And the 4 1/4 will be right there. And trim it, and then you'll have a square block. And you'll just rinse and repeat with your layer cake squares. It's wise to do contrast here, so maybe if you have a darker one, you go with a lighter, just because that will give you a better pop in your quilt. Thanks for watching my video. We'll see you next time. Bye!